Hey guys, November 1st, 2024, we're going to go over the Luce line pedestrian bridge here. I was going to go down to the Mighty Mighty Mo, but traffic was a bitch, so I figured lose the rail fan in the next video, but you know, it's whatever. It's after July 4th. This comes out in 2025. It's pretty cool. We went to a brewery, the Luce line. It's like in Golden Valley. It snowed yesterday, Halloween. This Luce line goes all the way out to shit way out there on Highway 7. So it's an old rail line. Kind of starts up by Golden Valley. But it was kind of a bitch to get out there today. I'm like, took some time off. And I figured, what the hell? It's a beautiful day to be alive, man. It's great. It's a beautiful day to be walking around. It's a pretty cool pedestrian bridge over here in Plymouth. Biking pedestrian bridge. We got the fag car still out. It'll all be gone this weekend, all the snow. First snowstorm of the 2024-2025 winter. Well, storm, but snow. So, yeah. Plymouth's not too far from the port side of Minnetonka, on the border. Ridgedale's over there. So, we have a big complex over here. But it's a pretty cool bike trail. Goes all the way out. The other one, the big one, is the Sioux line. That goes 107 miles from Royalton, Minnesota, all the way over to Wisconsin. So you can tell moisture is moisture. So I didn't know it was here. Had to go over to Granger and tell them, hey, this you can walk over here and do this thing. So what the hell? Did some videoing for their channel. Pretend I was in Sarasota for that farmhouse that was his flop house. So whatever he did, copyright strike some chick and her channel went down, I guess. It's too bad. But yeah, it's still a nice day today. I don't know, 30, 40, 45 degrees. Young lady is jogging over there. We got more snow over here in the west than anywhere else, so what the hell? It's built nice. I'm glad they did this because, you know, that young lady was just jogging, doesn't have to worry about traffic. Bikes can go across. Pretty solidly built. So I think it used to be 2 rail lines. You can still use it. Still get some trains go by here once in a while. Yeah, it goes all the way out. God, I don't know how far it goes, but it goes out over 394 and cuts through. But the Sioux line one is real long. That thing goes for a long ways. It's 110 miles. It'd be fun to bike it. How long that would take you, but have them drop you off and pick you up in Wisconsin, I guess. But put some. Obviously, don't use that rail track anymore, but it's a pretty well used line. Already November 1st, the begging season in 2024 starts today, but when this comes out in July, it's like about 3 months away. So you always got to formulate a plan, and you're begging on YouTube. It's non-stop skullduggery. Alternate events. A friend of mine had a big wedding. They got a bunch of stuff there. They set stuff up. I think it's a fire training area. I think it is. You can tell a little bit of snow. Yeah, I was gonna go down to the river. I might do those tomorrow. We'll see what happens. Put the fag car back here pretty soon. Weekend's supposed to be somewhat nice. We'll see what happens about tomorrow. Do a little wandering down by the river. Never know what the hell, right? I guess they grind up these, I was listening to my train guy, they grind those up and send those overseas, I guess. Those ties, I guess, they use those for stuff, so. I was listening to the video. The one guy, his name is Taylor, he's a medic, whatever his name is, Blind View, talked about the guy. He bought a bus and drove it all the way down. A diesel, it's like, good luck with all that. So I listened to that video. Driving in heat, overheating, but like I've said, I mean, you buy an RV, they're great, but you're gonna buy a RV, just get a basic gas one, because diesels you just can't bring anywhere. You know, you just can't bring them in. But yeah, it's not too bad for filming today. Your camera's not. I could not imagine living out in Arizona and trying to have a YouTube channel, trying to video, go exploring places, because your camera gets too hot, especially the GoPro 10. I use that once in a while still. This is on the DJI. I guess the big rage among all the vloggers is the Pocket. I have the 2. I should get that out one of these days. I didn't get out my drone at all this year. Gotta get that out one of these days. So that's been fun. I haven't used that in a long time. Maybe it's a poor choice to buy it, but what the hell. But I do like this Action 4. It's nice. Make good cameras. But it's just a great day for walking out today, doing videos. Appreciate anybody that views it. YouTube is what it used to be. Probably got out and did the boat show. Usually I get out and do that in the car show. I go and do that every time. It's always fun. Go to the RV shows, see what's new, walk around. Yeah, it'd be cool to buy a bus, but the gas ones are nice, but I'd buy one for my cabin and make it into bunk beds for the nephews to sleep in or something. That's what I would do. Take all the engine out and transmission out and tires off and lay it on a concrete pad and put some beds in there and run power into it. Use it for an extra place to sleep. The cabin. That's what I would do. Just whoever you buy it from, say, hey, you want the engines and stuff? Have someone tow it over to your place and put it down, have at it. But yeah. Over there's 55. They're digging that up. A lot of construction going on in Minnesota. Yep. The hell is that in that company? I can't, Dalka or something, what it's called, but I hope we get a lot of. Hope we got a lot of snow this winter. Hope we did. I like snow. We didn't get a lot last year. It's too bad the trick-or-treaters was a lot of cold from last night. So. But, you know, what the hell, right? Well, you know, gotta get out of the house and do some video once in a while, right? Never hurts to get out and do something fun. It's a distributing place over there. That used to be a, I don't know what it was called, it was a mail house. That's 494 over there, so. Do some rail fanning in the next one. Walk over there and see where the train goes to. Do some rail fanning in the next one. So. Anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed another pedestrian bridge, Luce line, pedestrian bridge. First day of November, 2024. Hope you had a good 4th of July. Went out and had some fun. I know I probably did. Dad's anniversary of his death, so. Anyways, so. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Thank you very much.